This doesn't make any sense. Why are people telling there's no jobs out there, right? Or training school is too expensive or whatever the case might be. I've had a government contract for over 7 years to train people to get their CDL. But do they come and get their CDL? No, they just sit and cry. Now I'm talking to you. If you have kids that just graduated from high school and college is not for them, they need to get their CDL. I'm talking to you if you're in college and it's not for you, you need to come get your CDL. I'm talking to you if you just got home from doing time, you just got home from prison, the county jail, or anywhere else, this video is for you. Now, let me tell you why it's for you. I can help you get your CDL in less than a month, right? Anywhere between 14 and 30 days. And once you get your CDL, I can help you find a job. So I'm sick and tired of people saying that there is no upward mobility, there is nothing here for them, when it is clearly right here. There's clearly people like me and other people out there that is trying to help you to get a license. With a license, you're going to be able to make more money, right? More money than working at a box store, working at Walmart, or working at fast food, or anything else. But it's up to you, right? This September 27th at 12 o'clock, 1325 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge, I'm doing an open house. I'm doing an open house to help people to get their CDL. Now, how much will it cost? I will train you now and you will pay me later. Say it again. I will train you now and you will pay me later. So there's no more excuses. There are absolutely no more excuses why you do not get a license, and that license allow you to make more money. When somebody is going to train you, they're going to help you find a job, and you're going to pay them back later. All right? That's it. That's all.